Your nation, so today we're to CHUU Canary. Alright guys, here we go. Whoa. Where we left off. So I'm just checking. CHUU. Hey. Oh, love her smile. Hmm? Hmm? Oh? Oh? Hmm? Hmm? Oh? Hmm? Oh? Love her voice. Oh, so catchy. Ooh. Ooh. Hmm? Ooh. All the vocals it has, so catchy. This dude is very lucky. Hey. Such a good singer. Aww. Cutie. Who? Why does anyone hate you? She's so talented. Aww. Cute. So talented. Alright guys, so actually to Canary. Alright guys, so what y'all think about this? Was it good? Yeah, please support you. And support her album as well. Alright guys, if you guys want to subscribe. Alright guys, so see you guys next